Apple Store and I updated my phone, and that's what I'm going to be using to connect to the Apple Watch. So right now I'm just going to open it and see what's inside. So this is what it looks like. This is the Apple Watch Series 6 gold aluminum case, 40 millimeters, with GPS cellular and the Grapefruit Sport Band. So, kind of excited. Wait, let me move this tape up here. So you just like open the little flaps and it comes out. So I think I'm gonna start with the watch band. I got the grapefruit one because we're saving the best for last, obviously. Okay, how do you open this? There's a little thingy, and then you open it and you pull it out. I'm excited. This is what it looks like. I'm very, very excited. This is the Grapefruit Sport Band. This is what it looks like again. Probably can't see it properly, but I'm gonna do a close-up after. I'm excited. Okay, now I'm going to open the actual Apple Watch. So I watched like a million videos on this. I know what's gonna be inside. So it's the Apple Watch covered in like a little pink pouch, and you can like slide it out. So let me move this. And this. So you just flip it. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna drop it. Apple said that they're gonna be using like reusable stuff or recycled stuff. So this isn't actually like fabric, it's paper now. And so is the bag. This part is paper, and this part, if you look really closely, it's not fabric. It's just paper. Yeah. So I'm just gonna slide it out. And it's turning on. It's turning on. It's saying to put my phone close to the Apple Watch. I need to put on the bands first. So I just put it in, and I'm gonna put it on. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna take my phone, and because I updated it for the Series 6, you need to be on iOS 14, and I updated it like a few minutes ago. So I'm gonna click on Start Pairing. Hold on, I'm gonna make sure I'm connected to Wi-Fi. So I'm going to go on the watch thing, click Start Pairing, set up for myself. Moment of truth. connecting to your Apple Watch, this may take a moment. So I put the Apple Watch on. So I put on the Apple Watch, I paired it, and I really like it. I was very excited to get it, and now that I have it, it's honestly the best. Even though I've had it for like 10 minutes, I still really like it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and comment down below what I should do next, and I'll make it happen. Bye.